Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Razr 2022, and now I'm gonna show you how to install and how to set up free VPN on this device. So firstly, open your Play Store, then find here Turbo VPN. Find this app and install it. And this time check how websites see your location without VPN. So open 2ib.io or any other website to check your location. As you can see, I'm in Poland, it's true, but now open installed app and click agree and continue, of course, and click on the cross on the left top corner, and great, here you will see the globe. By clicking on it you can choose the location to connect to. For example, you can connect to Frankfurt or Limburg for free. Of course, you can connect to Frankfurt for you need to pay for this because it's premium servers. Premium servers are faster, but we need to simply connect to VPN servers. So just click on Smart Location, click OK, and click on the card at the center of your screen, and now we will be connected to nearest and fastest VPN server. So as you can see, now I'm in United Kingdom, so let's check it. And as you can see, I have another IP now, and I'm in United Kingdom. Okay, so now we will check the speed of my network with VPN. Of course, it's slower than normal mode, and it's free. It's too slower, but we will check it. So just open speed test by Ookla and let's check our internet connection. As you can see, Ookla connects, certain speed test. Okay, click go. As you can see, I'm in London. Speed test says I'm in London too. So, and as you can see, I have about 6 megabytes per second. It's not bad speed for free VPN, it's really good speed for free VPN. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.